Good morning, you guys. MV So Lucky here, coming back to you. I know I haven't posted any videos in quite a while, but I'm sorry. I'm just busy working and working, and sometimes my job, it just wears me down at times. And plus, I'm going to be going back to school and adding all these other things to my plate, and I'm trying to get my videos going. But today I'm here with you, and I don't want to make false promises, but I want to start doing more videos for you guys. I see all these like Ross hauls and Target hauls videos, and quite honestly, I love Ross. I love Ross. So I've been to Ross. I might be doing a little haul for you guys, and I'll even do try-ons. And I want you guys to know that it doesn't matter how old you are. We're never too old to do these videos, because you're speaking to somebody who's about to be 5-0 in about 3 more years. But I want to do these. So here I'm gonna start. I'm doing a review, and it's gonna be an unboxing of something that I splurged with this year. I don't splurge too often, but when I do, I want to do something for myself. And it's this Gucci. I got my Gucci belt, the Marmont double G belt, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get to it. So they pack it nice and pretty in this little, kind of like Louis Vuitton does, but I'll be honest to you, I was really impressed by the Gucci store and the way they treat you. I don't want to say nothing negative about Louis Vuitton, but I really like the Gucci. I think I'm going to go back when I get a chance. I do not own a Gucci bag. I'd love to own one of those. I saw one that I fell in love with, but we're gonna just go slow. I can only do so much. But anyhow, my belt. Let me go ahead and start by unboxing this. So it comes in a little box, and it looks like this. And sorry about the lighting, and sorry about the way I look, because I'm not wearing any makeup. Oh my goodness, because I'm going to the gym and I do not wear nothing. This is what you get. I'm plain Jane. But let me go and get this done. Okay, so it comes in a little pouch like this, kind of like satiny, silky, very pretty, with a little tag. It says Gucci on it. Very, very nice packaging, you guys. Very nice. And the belt that I got was not the girl one, and I'll explain to you why briefly. I ended up getting the Marmont, the double G, the black. And as you can tell, I ended up getting, instead of getting the matted one, I ended up getting the one that has the little like, the texture on it. And I'll tell you guys why. I love this belt, you guys. I love it. So this is a size 85. I wear a size 6 in women. Although I never really wear a lot of women clothing, I still wear juniors. So I will do a try-on later on, but right now I just want to go over the belt with you. So on this side of the belt, it's matted in the inside, but it's textured on the outside. This is what they call the men's belt, and I don't regret it. I'm going to tell you why I chose this one, and that is because the one that is matted was very thin, and I am very rough with my belt, and I want my belt to last. It was really, it felt thinner than this one. This one felt a little more thicker. As you can see, it's thick, and it's just, it felt more, I don't know, it just felt thicker and more, it felt stronger. Like I felt like the women's one, the matted one, was thinner. And I also noticed that any little scratch or scuff would show through the belt. Also, I noticed that when you kind of bent, when you would bend the belt, it would get little like little creases. So I kind of did not like that. It felt like the belt was not gonna probably last long, but I don't know. I just chose this one because it felt thicker and sturdier. And as you can see, the girl told me that some people cut this little thing off because they want this little thing to slide further, but I'm not gonna touch it. I really like it the way it is. If I start to lose weight, which at times I fluctuate in weight and I have to move it, then I will move it. But I don't know if you guys can see, but in the inside of the belt, if you look closely right there, that's where it tells you it's Gucci, and it gives you also your serial number and all. And this little thing here, it's like a little metal that holds this little leather part together. It's a very nice belt. Oh my goodness, very, very, very nice. When you put it on, it slides through here, and then you cinch it and press the buckle through. And that's what it looks like, you guys. I did get the size 85. I don't know if you can see, but right now I'm not wearing the proper clothing. I did explain to the girl that I do wear my belts, like, I don't know if you guys can see my sweats, but like I normally wear my pants there, so you guys could get an idea. Let me tilt this a little bit. And at times I do wear my belts up here. So if I am dieting right now. This is week 3 of my training. So if I do get smaller, they did suggest, it fits perfect right now, but they did suggest that if I did drop more weight, I could take it to a shoe store and add another hole. I think there was another gal that explained, do not let them shorten the belt from here, because if they do, you will lose your serial number and the brand. I don't know, I don't want to do that, so I might just add one hole. If this thing flaps, there's a trick where you can stick a little rubber. Well, we got this, so you should be okay. But if you want to add, some people add like a little ponytail, which I've done with some of my country belts that have a lot of stones. This will flap, so I added a little black little ponytail thing here. And then when you stick this in, if there's a big giant piece left over, you can also wrap it here, and it'll just look like that. I didn't put it in right, but this is, again, what the belt looks like. I love this belt, you guys. If you're thinking of getting this belt, this is the Double G Marmont belt, Gucci belt, and this is the men's. It's the one with the ridges. Same price as the one that's matted, but this, I'm telling you, by far felt way thicker. I mean, it's your choice preference, but I really like this one. So when I get a chance, I'm gonna go ahead and maybe do a like Ross haul. I do shop at Ross, you guys. I don't really like spend a lot of money on clothing, because you know our style always changes as women. I do like Ross, but when I do splurge, I like splurging on nice things like belts and handbags. So I'll go ahead and leave you with this, and this is once again the Double G belt. Love this belt, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. I will be back, and I'll post a haul with some of my Ross things that I've purchased lately, and I'll go ahead and do my clothing with the belt on, so you guys can see what it looks like. I hope you guys have a good day. Peace out. Mwah. Have a beautiful one. Bye-bye, you guys. Post any comments or questions below, and I'll give you all the info you guys need. Have a good one. Bye.